Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking us through how we can save image into our gallery. So in my previous tutorial, we talked about how we can pick image from the gallery. So we'll just continue from there. So now let's go straight to the point now. How do we save an image into our gallery? So first of all, we have this gallery saver, which helps a package which helps us with that. So now I will just go to the package on pop dev, and then copy this the name of the package, and then go back to my code to install it. So we'll go to our uh, pops YAML to install the package. So first of all, I'll just uncomment this and then click on pop pop get. I've installed this, so we don't need to go through that stress. So all you need is to do is just to paste the name and the number, and then pop click on pop get to install the package. So now I'll go back to my home page, and then I'll walk you through this method. This method is in charge of saving the image. So first of all, we have this selected image variable, which we got from our previous tutorial. All this does is just to get our selected image. So now here, all we need first is to get our selected image part, and when we put this selected dot part, we get the part which I'm now going to uh, make. I'm going to assign to this variable. So now this is the gallery saver class which we got from um, our our package that we just installed, and now we are going to access a method inside the class, which is a save image, and then this part here we are going to put it inside this save image method, so that we can execute this save image, and then if it is successful, then we'll put this dot then, and if it is successful, we should print this so that we can know if we've actually saved the image. So now we will create a button. We create a button down here where we can access the method. So this is the method I created earlier on. So once we click on this button, it executes this method, and that's how we save our image. So now let's try it out. So now this image, now I want to save it. So when I click on this, you see image save. Let me click on it one more time. Save the image again. Let me click again. We save the image. Okay, I think that's all for now. So now let's see how let's for sure know if we actually save this image. So let's go to our gallery. So let me go to image, and let me click on pictures and look at 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. We save the image 3 times. So that is how you save your image. Very simple. And before I go, there's one thing I need to tell you guys, because I had that issue, and no, you won't get this information in any channel except for this channel. Well, most of the time when you install you install the package, it gives an error, and it's going to tell you that your SDK version is very low and stuff like that. And some people don't know how to go about it. So all you need to do is just to go to this app. Inside this your app, you go to build Credo, and here make sure you change it to 21 and above, like number. So all what this means is that any SDK version lesser than 21, your gallery saver is not going to support it. So make sure you choose between from 21 and above. And probably in the future, 21 might not even be the baseline, it might be higher. So to be at the saver side, just put it on 30. And I think with that, you're not going to have any issues. So, and that is all for this video. Do well to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.